Hello, today we are going to discuss about installing and troubleshooting Wi-Fi or the wireless network. So here in this we will learn about the steps to install the wireless network and the steps to troubleshoot the Wi-Fi. So here we will start with the installing Wi-Fi. Here are the steps to install the wireless network. So first of all the first step is we will do the proper site survey. So here the proper site survey is done to reveal any obstacles which are coming in the wireless network, and then we use this proper site survey to get best possible location for installing the wireless access points. So this is the first step to install the wireless networks. Next step is we will use the wireless analyzer or the wireless survey tools. So these wireless analyzers are a device that finds the all existing wireless network in that area. So these wireless analyzers are used to find the other existing wireless network in that area, and then it generate a report on the basis of heat maps. So here the heat maps represents the RF resources on the site using different colors to represent intensity of the signals. So in this way the wireless analyzer helps you analyze the other existing wireless networks. The next step we will detect the interference sources, and then we will find the solution to reduce the interference. So these interference sources are like refrigerator, microwave ovens and the metal plumbing. These are the interference resources, and they will give the interference to the wireless network. So here we will reduce these interference, and these interference sources give the dead spot in a wireless network. So we have to kill these dead spot in the network. Next, by detecting these interference sources, next step is to set up an network. So here we will set up a network according to two modes, by the ad hoc mode and in the infrastructure mode. So in ad hoc mode, the every wireless devices are connected to each other through a end-to-end connectivity. And next, in infrastructure mode, the every device or a wireless device is connected to a central point, that is wireless access point. So according to the need, we will set up the network. The next step, we will install the access point or the wireless access point and antenna. By analyzing the area for locating the wireless access point, then we install that access points and the antennas like omnidirectional, unidirectional and the patch antennas according to the need of the wireless network. In next step, we will configure these access points. So by login into the wireless access point, we will set up their SSID, that are the secure service set identifiers, and next we will configure the MAC address filtering, or we will add the MAC addresses of the wireless devices to whom we want to give the wireless access. So we will add the MAC addresses of those devices, and next we will set up the encryption setting. So we will use here encryption setting, that is VPA2, and next we will set the channels and frequency according to the need of the wireless network. The next is we will configure the clients. The clients are the wireless devices which we have to connect to the wireless or the wireless access point. So here we will configure the clients by using the username and the password of the wireless access point. The next we will add, if we want to add more WAPs or to extend the network, we will add the more WAPs or the wireless bridges. Then at last we will verify the installation by checking every wireless device that they are getting the wireless access or not. Then here in this way we will verify the installation of the wireless network. The next is the troubleshooting Wi-Fi, or the problems which are occur in the Wi-Fi connection and solution of solving such issues. So here the first problem is low signal or the low power. So if we getting the if WAP signal or power quality is low, so to troubleshoot this problem or to solve this problem, what we will do, we will come in the range of the wireless access point. The next we will avoid the dead spots, and next step we will turn up the power, or we will give the power to the wireless access point. And next is using better antenna, or by using a better antenna we will also enhance the power of the WAP. And next, if we are using the old version of the WAP, next we have to upgrade to the new standard, that is 802.11 new standards. The next is the wrong inscription. If we are giving the wrong username and password to the wireless devices, then they will not get the wireless access. So by entering the correct username and and password, we will get the access to the wireless network. The next issue is problem in allocating channel. So in this issue occur when WAP is configured with 2.4 GHz frequency band. As we know that this 2.4 GHz frequency band is a narrow band and it will cause an interference. So if WAP channels are set using this neighboring channel, this will lead to the overlapping of signal. And if we want to solve this problem, we have to choose the channels like 1, 6 and 11 and allocate this channel to the WAP and or set device to the auto channel selection mode. So in this way we will solve this problem. The next is the slow connection. So this issue is difficult to resolve because in this issue device is connected to the SSID or the IP address of the web, but data transfer is slow. That is, we are loading the web page slowly and the application timeouts occur. So to solve this problem occurred due to the overloaded web, means we are connecting more wireless devices to the web. So this problem occurred due to the overloaded web. And next is the radio frequency interference, that is RFI. So RFI may be come from the non-Wi-Fi network or also come from the Wi-Fi network. So the non-Wi-Fi networks are like refrigerators, microwave ovens. So these are the non-Wi-Fi network from where we get the radio frequency interference, and the Wi-Fi network are the other web networks from where we are getting the interference. So two solutions to this issue is to disconnect some of the devices and also to reduce the interference. The next problem is unusual connection. So in this issue, WAP provide a good connection, but there is problem on the basis of the security. The first one is the open network. So these are the network which having the no inscription configured. It means it have no username and the password. If user want to connect to these open network, it automatically connect to these open network. So there is a problem with this network to how to avoid unintentional logins, and there is no data inscriptions. The next is the wrong SSID. So here the user is attached to the fake network having same SSID as that of the real network. The next is the untested updates and the rogue access point, that is they are the unauthorized access point. If we get connection from these access points, we will our data there is no data inscription, and our data is also getting hackers are also hacking our data. The next issue is the Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is an amazing wireless technology and it gives plenty of a good security. The tools which we are using to provide the security in Bluetooth are discoverable mode and the 4-digit pin during pairing process. So before installing these securities in the Bluetooth, the attacks in the Bluetooth technologies are bluejagging and the blue snurfing. So in bluejagging, the user is sending unwanted message to another Bluetooth devices and hack their network. And next is blue snurfing. In this, it used to steal information from the other devices. So these are the attacks in the Bluetooth technology before these security tools. The next problem is the wall driving and the wall chalking. So this is the old technology used by the hackers in late 2005, and this wall driving was conducted to find the wireless network using omnidirectional antenna which are installed over the PCs. And when a network was found, when a hacker found the open networks, then the wall driver marked that place with special chalk mark to indicate other wall drivers about the location of the SSID. And by hacking this network, they get the access to their data. So in this way, we will install the wireless network and troubleshoot the wireless network. So this is all about this. Thank you.